Hey, it's Gina and Scully with WTI. And if you have a crazy kitten like we do, then you know that anything and everything turns into a toy. And that includes things that should not be toys. That's one reason why I got this interactive cat toy from Migipaws. It has kept Scully so occupied, and that is definitely a huge plus. This ball is about the size of a golf ball, and it is rechargeable. It keeps her interest so well. So this will spin and roll around on the floor and then stop and start again. This keeps them totally intrigued and running and bouncing after it, and that has helped to protect so much of the things around my home. This comes with a little feather attachment that you can put on the toy. Our cat loves that. She is just tearing it to shreds. And it also comes with a little mouse that she loves to play with also. This has stood up to so much abuse from my cat, and it does well on different floor types too. I think you're gonna love it and appreciate it as much as I have, and that's my point of view.